Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Apple report for Thursday, December 29th, 2022. Before I jump into the charts like this significant one, please click like if you would each and every time you watch the daily Apple report. It helps us out a great deal in being found on YouTube, as well as the daily Tesla report. And next week we start the daily NVIDIA report. Also subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. It provides you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded. And if you would, share the content with friends and colleagues. So we are now in the zone of long-term support, the beginning of a targeted zone that's been a target since really October. The 125.38 descending channel bottom is closing in on this 123.13 longer-term support level, which ends at 120.27 on the weekly chart, rising two-thirds speed line projected off that March 2020 COVID low. This is really the zone here, 120.27 to 123.10 on the weekly chart, able to absorb selling not only for the week, not only through January, but even through Q1 and into later 23. We can come off of this area nicely in the months to follow. For the day itself, I'll go back, I suppose, to this chart. I do have a soft intraday pivot point at 129.04. Now, I just have it as intraday resistance. Because we're in the midst of testing long-term support presently, we could push right back above 129.04 just based on that alone. And that buying could yield 132.79 intraday. So if we push through 129.04, 132.79 is likely where we can place a daily high. Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Tesla report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today. A new descending channel top based in part on Wednesday's low. 132.79, that would be the extent, I think, of a rally today. And it is in reach once again if we push or open above 129.04. If we close above 132.79, and I don't see that, but if so, then tomorrow we test 136.34. 136.34, still a two-star resistance. In other words, if we test this tomorrow, Friday, it could contain buying into the middle to later part of next week, and we could fall off from there. But also know that following a test of this low to mid 120s, which we are in the midst of right now, we can from here rally back to 142.25 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and possibly this channel top at 150.63 by the end of January. These are big levels here. We remain heavy below 142.25. I suppose I can stop saying that now because we are reaching our objective. I've been talking about the low to mid 120s as a long-term target by the end of January, following the test in October, late October, of this long-term speed line. So that's that. Now, if we were to close above 136.34, 142.25, likely within a matter of 3 to 5 days, where we can top out into later January, through January, and then fall off again. Closing above 142.25 would be a meaningful buy signal. But in terms of longer-term bullish continuation, as I've been saying, I don't see this market showing continued gains into later Q1 unless we can close above 150.63. And this 150.63, once we test, and we're in the midst of testing long-term support now in the low to mid 120s, following this test, I'm going to begin talking 150.63 as a 1 to 2 month target. You could probably say that right now, but I don't think we're done testing support. We are still in the midst of doing so. And it comes in right here between 123.13 and 125.38 on the daily chart. And that is all I think that needs to be said. Please click like if you would, and subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. I'll be back tomorrow with Friday's report, and you have a great evening.